and fortify our steps as we seek, keep, and edify our fraternity ever one and whole, and as we strive perseveringly to enhance and strengthen our national brotherhood. All these are divine providence. We fervently ask under your
For country's sake, over strength and mind and energy, we dedicate fraternal love, service for the good of all humanity. We're eagles, fluttering eagles, lasting peace, our noble nation. We're eagles, to all people, pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. In business still of human care, we will share our lives to humanity. We're eagles, the Philippine eagles, lasting peace, our noble mission. We're eagles, friends to all people, pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. In business still of human care, we will share our lives to reach our liberty. Mabuhay!
Ipunan natin. Siyempre, para sa atin din naman eh. Oo. Ayun, yun lang.
Bayaran na lang yung kayang bayaran.
Oo, bayaran kung kaya
Yan ang tama.
bayaran.
Bayaran yung
Pwede mong
kayang
tagain ng 4 na beses.
Pero ang usapan sana natin.
Uy, grabe to ah. Uy! Grabe to, pare! Hop, sino na? Uy! Uy!
Kuya lang. Kuya Jello.
Uy!
Ilan yan, kuya?
Bali, 11 saka siyam. Di bali ano? 10, tigisa sila. 12.
Damn! Okay. Grabe laban to! Grabe laban! Woo! Congrats! Congratulations! Oy!
Dapat. Okay, mga kuya, ate, by the power and authority bestowed upon me as the Chartered President of Makisig Matikas Dos Eagles Club, I now declare that this General Monthly Meeting is adjourned.
Alright.